Hi, this is Debbie Reynolds, Realtor in Clarksville, Tennessee. Let's take a tour of downtown Clarksville. We're going to start with the courthouse. It was built on this spot in 1879. It had a tornado damage it. 5 years later, in 1900, there was a fire that damaged it. And then again in 1999, the tornado of Clarksville hit it and did terrible damage. But now it's totally reconstructed. It is a proud emblem of what progress can do and shows so much history that happened in Clarksville. Austin Peay came from Clarksville and he was one of our governors. On the corner of Commerce and North 2nd Street is the Custom House Museum. This historic building was built by the Clarksville Postmaster back in the 1800s. City Hall now is in a new building, but they used to be across the street overlooking the Cumberland River in our historic buildings on Public Square. There are fountains, there's flowers, there's statues, a lot of history as you walk through Clarksville. Government offices like Parks and Recreation are now using this space. As you take a walk around the corner to Franklin Street, you'll find the Roxy Theater. This is a regional theater, has great entertainment. There's a hand-painted mural, and Franklin Street is covered with offices, shops, pubs, coffee places. It's just a nice place to go for a stroll or for an afternoon with friends. Strawberry Alley is a happening place on evenings in the summertime with music venues. Clarksville has so much to offer in downtown. You really need to come out and check it out. And if you need real estate, you need to call me, Debbie Reynolds.